This is the garden at River Park North, and I volunteered, middle of August, I volunteered through the state of North Carolina Volunteer Service, and they did a background check and approved me, and I went to Greenville, North Carolina, which is where this park is, River Park North. Great place to bring your family, and children love it. Picnic here, and there's even camping and boating and fishing. There's 5 ponds here. It's really a nice place. Over 330 acres of property. Good trails to walk. So they have a garden here that was built many years ago, and it was totally overgrown. And I have been coming here for about 18 years myself, and figured that something had to be done with this garden. Gardening and beekeeping is in my knowledge. So through the volunteer service, I agreed to come here and clean this out and restore this garden. It was quite a mess that everybody would agree upon, and it's a lot of work getting this far. I'm about halfway through what I'm going to do, so when I'm done, this is going to be a real showcase for people to come here and to enjoy, and also to be educated if they want to spend some time. On Saturday, April the 30th of this year, I'm going to have a little seminar here, so a few people may come in, and I'll talk about what I'm doing and what I'm going to do, and also give them tips on how they can prepare their garden and increase the soil nutrition through adding bacteria and mycorrhizal fungi. So hopefully it'll help people out to learn how to garden a little bit and feed their family from some good vegetables from the garden. After this video, I'm going to do a few short videos of different things that I'm going to do or am doing, and those will come in the future. So there's no planned dates or anything. I'm just going to throw them out there as I do things, or feel that those things should be done on video. I have been gardening probably around 70 years, so a little bit has rubbed off on me. I've done all kinds of gardening, all types of gardening, and we also have some grapevines here which are going to be pruned, and I'll probably show a little video of how I pruned them. They hadn't been pruned in many years. They were more grape bushes than they were grapevines, so I had to prune them back to the cordons and to the spurs, and a lot of the cuttings I'm going to root and have them here for people, I guess. So I'm looking forward to it, and thanks for your tolerance, and thanks for watching this video. Well, this is the garden here at River Park North, and this is my first peach tree that I put in. And I'm clearing brush. Got a lot more to clear down there. This is going to be the little peach orchard. This is the first tree. Another 20 foot down there is going to be another one, and another one, and another one. I'm going to have four peach trees. And this hasn't been cleared in 20 years. So, a little bit of work in relation to where we are here. There's the grapevines, and blueberry bushes are going to go in there. All this stuff is going to be moved out of there, and there's going to be more blueberry bushes right up in there. And back up in there is the raised beds and the big shed. So we've come a long way. What you see right here, all this brush here, that was what was here. All in here. All in here. This is what you see, what you saw before. I've been clearing it out, just slowly going at it every day, working at it. So we'll get there. This garden's going to be a real showcase for the people that come to this park. River Park North, wonderful place. Good place to hang out with a family, walk the trails, fish. So, good luck to me. Thank you.